Hi, advisors. Things to do this week, things to look at. We'll just go over these. I'm sending this in a email as well, but you can watch this real quick. Make sure you've contacted all your students' mentors. I talked about this last week, and I know last week got a little bit crazy. So if you haven't got that done, this is just a reminder. And I had put a sample email in last week's newsletter, but if you need that again, just let me know. Just make sure you do that. Um, Go over their timelines that they turned in last week. Make sure you get those grades in. I made a video about grading those. It says watch this video right here on this thing. That is will be a link. You can click on that and watch that if you need some help or just different thoughts on how to grade those. Reminder in that their week should be dated. There should be more details than just finish this competency. They should include their benchmarks. I had a couple of mine that forgot to put their benchmarks in, so I took a few points off, set that back. And if they haven't done those things, they need to rework them because we want to set them up for success, and that stuff needs to be in there. So the video talks more about that, but make sure those things were done sometime this week or next week, depending on how much we have school. I don't know if there'll be a lot of time or not, but I would sit down with your kids just in a group. We did this on Friday last week and just had each kid share what they were doing to the rest of the group, and then let the rest of the group provide ideas or just ask them some questions, get some excitement. Since we didn't do project proposal presentations, do something like that with them. I think that just helps your group kind of solidify and just gives them some ideas about what they're doing. I think it's a really good thing. 5 minutes tops each kid. It doesn't have to be a big deal. It's not graded. It's just something I think that helps your group go well, work well together. And then the last thing, on the first day of class this week, whenever that is, I want you to show them the video I made about working with their mentor. Hopefully that will help them some ideas as they start to contact their mentors. I've seen a lot of kids, literally, they ask them a question, and it's, first of all, it's just a yes or no question. It's not going to help them get any feedback or anything. So the way they're contacting their mentors sometimes is just really, it's just not setting anybody up to get any help. So hopefully this video will help them with that. So and then you have a weekly progress report due on Friday. We're using the same form we always have. Just remember to keep in mind as you're writing down, did they make any progress? If they didn't even work towards their weekly goal, then you need to dock them some for that and write a comment. Hey, your weekly goal was this. You didn't do anything towards that. So why was this your weekly goal, or something like that? That's the whole point of that timeline, is to help you know what they're thinking they should accomplish that week. They also should be talking to their mentor if they're in high school. And if they didn't, and they can't show you that they did, that's to prove it somehow. So I have mine either show me the text that they sent, show me the email they sent, have their mentor talk to them, or if they're talking to them in my classroom on the phone, that's fine. Then I know they've done it. So if they've done it during class and they've showed me they've done it, that counts. 1 point off if they don't get that done. So it automatically takes them to a 9. So just remember all that stuff. Okay. Do you have questions? Let me know. Hopefully things are going well.